Mm, Good morning to everybody. Ani nga tanda langsa sira. I showered. Ani tanda jelanga lega doju. Wudelo doira. But tarin shugi nga ya lang digupsu ngigi comment chikla reply chigo samsa comment pumuina puina nga haumas raya comment chiktu. Mundi gente la sha. Oh, you are trying to you want to look good so damn bad that you're using filter or something like that. You're right, I'm using filters, but as you can guess, filter karishin lana because I'm ugly. Second, you said I'm just doing this for attention. Tadila diopsu I do like attention, but good attention with good intentions. We appreciate you. If someone is nice to me, tells me something nice, I really appreciate that, and I feel like I deserve it instead of like I'm not like that. I appreciate I take it serious. I'm like, oh my god, yeah, I'm awesome. Obviously, I appreciate you know. But tukcha attention chikdwa, mudilena bani dwa. It's okay because I am protected. I have that power to like block negativity from my mind. Ani kyo kazu mo kazu lana benira. It won't bother me. It won't hurt me. So sounds like it's you problem. If you don't like me, if you think visual attention, this that, you don't even know me and you already started assuming things about me, teaching that evil eye to protect myself from people like you. Anyways, thank you to all my fans, people who like me, and for my haters. Bye.